Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar NEFFEX. Heard of him before. Of course you have, if you subscribe here to Gordon Guitar, you do. And this is perhaps more than 20 times before we have NEFFEX here, I believe so at least. And yeah, we'll have NEFFEX in the future as well, that's for sure. Great artist. This one, Tough Times. It's a new song here. It goes in the same way through the entire song here when it comes to the chord progression. And we'll look at the different strumming techniques there. First, we'll have the setup with the capo on the 3rd fret. And with that, we will have the G first. So we'll go over the chords. That is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. E minor, that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. D, so open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have C next, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is C minor. It's a bar chord, so you place the bar now on the 3rd fret. From A string and down, that's all strings extract from this bass E here. So 5 strings there, and the rest will be 5th on D, 5th on G, and 4th on B. So there you have the different chords. The chord progression will be G, E minor, D, C, and this is how we learn the chords. The last chord here will kind of 90% will be the C minor, but sometimes you go to D, so from C back to D, and that is in the first chord progression round in the chorus. Sorry, yeah, in the chorus. So there you will go back to D instead of the C minor. Otherwise, it's the C minor ending here. All right, so we'll look at the different strumming techniques there. We'll start easy with 2 downs and then try to mute after the 2nd down. So like this. You can do that in the way that you lean your strumming hand on top of the strings, or if you want, you can just lift off and kill the sound with the little hand you're using on the fretboard here. Or you can also, if you have a finger left on your fretboard hand, you can just lean a finger on top of the strings in front of your hand, so to speak, closest to your strumming hand. So, and just lean a finger on top. All right, so different ways of muting, but that's what we are aiming for. So the first now will be to play 2 downs, and that is kind of one strumming around. We can call it one strumming around, and you will play then 4 times on G. So 3, 4, then E minor, 4, 3, 4, then D, 4. Then C2 and C minor 2. And that is one round. The next level here will be kind of a pre-chorus thing here. Now we'll add up to 4 downs in the same way we play the 2. You will work a little bit more now. So the amount of strumming rounds you play for each and every chord will stay the same, okay? So it stays the same, and no matter what technique we're using for the strumming here. So now one strum round will be for G, like this. So 4 downs. All right, so it goes like this: G, the strumming string number 2 there, and then we'll have 1 for the chorus, and it will be 2 downs plus a clap. Okay, so very similar to the beginning there. So for G, back to G. This is the first chord progression round, and then on the second round, minor. 2, 3, 4, C, and now C minor, and so on. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers NEFFEX Tough Times. So good luck with this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and play tuned.